Bafana Bafana is the best team in the world. Hey, Bafana. Bafana Bafana. Obo, gana samba, Babe. Oh, Tlaco, 750. Hi, Bafana. Bafana Bafana is the best team in the world. Bafana.
Alright guys, Sanbonani, welcome to Diskitar. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. We'll talk about a World Cup, we'll touch base with Bonile, Messi doing abnormal things. I think the Ronaldo and Messi debate will go on for as long as they are alive and even after they are gone. Yeah, it is a debate for eternity, but I think it's kuyabonakala man ukuthi even in their old age, yeah, Messi and Ronaldo, they continue to do great things. Messi specifically, because he continues to give even young players like Abu Erling Haaland, Abu Mbappe, those are the next generations of talented footballers in terms of the best players in the world. However, Messi playing in the MLS, he continues to show at the high stage that he still belongs there, and he is still the orchestra of the director of the orchestra, like you heard in that video. Yeah, guys, Sibong, we heard Mbappe congratulating Bafana Bafana on his Insta. Yeah, it shows Wuti the whole world was recognized with what we did as a country. Now we look to Canada. Let us talk about the lineup on the screen. I don't think the coach needs to change much in terms of his selection yake, and also maybe even adjusting to the way Canada idlala ngakhona. He just needs to stick to his principles and be aware of their high press. They like to play a high press game, and Canada idlala a high tempo. They are very much aggressive, and I think we need to be very careful of their counter attacks. They are very fast and they're very lethal. And yeah, we have to be aware of Konalo number 10, a very dangerous player. Yeah, our defenders and our midfielders, they need to be on their toes. Umbata, I think he deserves his place in the team. And we heard even Pizzo, he gave him praise that Umbata, he was an unsung hero. So I thought nobody really noticed the difference that he made. But yeah, Umbata, he came, he stabilized the team, he got the team going forward. He got the likes of Abum Fuking, Nabo Masego to play. He got the team playing. So yeah, even Noyaya, I think he redeemed himself considering his last performance. Yeah, that's all, guys. What do you think of that lineup? I don't think Coach Mele he changed that much. Maybe just maybe this time he can go for Foster Pambili instead of Mahopa. But yeah, I think even Reynes, Boy 3, they are good enough, and I think we need speed kule game. I don't think Mahopa maybe angamfaka ku-second half, but I think Reynes or Ulokuzana, this game would be suited to a striker like Reynes, even better than Foster. I think Reynes, this game would suit Reynes better. Right, guys? So drop your thoughts on comments. And it's really Lapayana in terms of Kaizer Chiefs. Before we get to those news, let us have a look at this video.
e ba le bona ba beya matsoho ka mehla matsatsi ka ho rapela ba ntshireletse ba dula ba nshapa Modimo ba ntlhorisa bana ba hao ka ho kopa ntate Modimo e ba le yena Zitha Kwenyeta le Bruce Vuma le yena mfana ba reng ke Mayo ha phini mo rumo Modimo e ba le yena papa a tlohele ho phinyetsa batho ho ba fe game e sharp to ka ho kopa ntate Modimo amen.
Amen.
Okay, celebrations, wild celebrations laphayana eThekwini after that qualification. Into the next round, Canada imile, but they can bring it on anytime. So nizwile laphayana no Leon Schuster uthi bafana very much trending. In terms of exits laphayana ku Kaizer Chiefs, and let's talk about that. Sibonile Happy Mashiane, as I've been indicating, ukuthi bayam-release, they are letting him go. Unfortunately, I know some of you think Mashiane was doing well under Hunt. I think that was his best time at Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know whether the CAF Champions League final, whether it broke him or what, but what do you think? After that red card to go finally CAF Champions League, he was never the same. But Mashiane, he will be yena. As for Uzwane, I think he will be sent on loan again. So Boxosa, it looks like they will be coming back, considering ukuthi Eden McCarthy uhambile. Uxosa, Kaizer Chiefs very much need a left-footed central defender. So Uxosa, I think, is coming back to Kaizer Chiefs. Ngeke basamusa ndawo, so kanayo experience. And then obviously uLokhuzana bamsayinile laphayana uLokhuzana, the new central defender from Stellenbosch, that is Moloisane. And also you saw that cryptic like from Mabasa, liking the new Kaizer Chiefs coach. What does that say? Is he following Thabo Moloisane to Kaizer Chiefs? What we do know, ukuthi they have submitted an offer for Ulangelihle Phili. So we don't know whether Mabasa no Phili, they will follow Lokhuzana. They will follow Umoloisane, but let's wait for the announcements that could be coming in the next days. So Aslindeni Bafetu, and also as I've already indicated, Kaizer Chiefs are looking to replace departing Gaston Sirino. Expect Sirino to be announced, his exit to be announced as well. And then Kaizer Chiefs are after Ulevi Nene, 20-year-old Ivorian attacking midfielder Udlala Lapana in Norway for North Gireland, and that is the potential replacement for Sirino. Right, and then what do you think of Masego playing ahead of Lokhuzana? Orlando Pirates winger Masego simbonile lapha, he was struggling at Mamelodi Sundowns. The loan or that move, it has done wonders for his career, coming back after missing the AFCON, coming back, playing in the World Cup, taking us to the second round. We are very proud. And uqale laphayana ku-Dream Fields, yambona laphayana sasemncane, Masego mncane laphayana, now he's a fully grown man and he's doing big things for his country. Probably the most famous surname is South Africa now, Masego. So Ungamane, I was watching the game with a friend of mine, and Masego. So Masego was very proud ukuthi sibongo sakhe sidumile. So guys, Dylan Shepherd Mzwile is part of the technical team. It's official now, Jumba, as I've been announcing, which they're gonna announcing. So now it's official. And then Olivier Sorin, new goalkeeper coach. So the technical team is now complete. And also as I've told you, indaba yaka Salum Lokhuzana uta Cruz ngathi uyamfuna nayo Salum Faisal Salum bekafuna uNabi uta Cruz ngathi nayo uyamthanda, ngathi ucele ukuthi bamsayine, kodwa uSalum kumele bamthenge because he's got I think it's about 6 months left on his contract, on his current contract. So he won't come in for free. However, I think in January he will be able to sign a pre-contract in Kaizer Chiefs. So we don't know whether they'll go for him now or whether they're going to wait. We will have to wait and see. Right, guys, that is all I have for today. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.